Hey Kickstarter, this is the most fun you'll ever have with charcoal, the most flavor you'll ever have with charcoal and hardwood. We want you to join us as we introduce the wildfire to the world, the first charcoal-fired 4-in-1 barbecue. All these different things that people enjoy require different temperatures and heat profiles. Steaks, searing, you know, pizza magic doesn't happen until you're at 1100 F. And then you've got low and slow, you've got smoking, just a whole host of different things. For the average consumer, they've got to go out into the barbecue market and buy devices that do specifically those jobs. I want a searing station. I want a pizza oven. I want a traditional charcoal grill. I want an Asado grill with an adjustable rack. And what the wildfire does is combines all that into one product. So you can use them all almost simultaneously at the same time in one cooking cycle. And it saves you a lot of money and a lot of real estate. We wanted all the functionality. We wanted high temperature, low temperature, smoking. We wanted warming. We wanted it all in one package. It's 16 inches in diameter. It's fun, it's fast, puts flavor into food you can't imagine. And it's everything we want in a grill, and we think you're gonna love it too. And we want 2,000 grilling adventurers to join us on our journey. We wanna make it worth your while, so we've got rewards.
Kickstarter, help us stoke the fire and launch the Wildfire Grill.
And you can come day drink with us any Friday. The barbecue is always hot, Fridays in Boone. You're all welcome.